Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C: and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Type attrib C: /boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space C: /boot/bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.